divide 537 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we put down this 3 and it is 23. So 3 times 7 is 21. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down the 7 and it is 27. So 3 times 9 is 27. On subtracting, we get 0. So 537 divided by 3 is 179. This much for today and thanks for watching.